Hello everybody, my name is Maximilian. Welcome back in another video. This time I'll be showing you real quick how you can submit your international packages here on Oopbuy. So in the last video I showed you real quick how you can order the items on Oopbuy. It's so simple. If you don't know yet, just simply take a look at the video and see how it's done. Now by this point my items are finally in the warehouse, so let me real quick show you how you can submit the package. Let's go to the Safari. You can also use just any other browser. I'm doing this on my iPad, but you can do this thing on your PC or whatever. It's up to you. So just like this, here we are on the Oopbuy website. Now what I want you to do is to click over the icon where you have all the options. So let's click on this, and here let's click on warehouse. In the warehouse tab, this is how it all looks like. You've got your QC pictures, so you can see whether you like this item or you don't like this item. It's all like this. As you can see, the quality of the QC pictures is very high. You can see everything, the measurements and quality of the materials even. So because of this the Oopbuy is really one of the best agents. As you can see, some other QC pictures. So this is how it all looks like. And yeah, we also have this item here. Now simply click on select all, and yeah, let's just create the parcel. So let's click on create the parcel. And just like this is how it all looks like. You've got all your items here, and you can select different packaging options. You can either use the carton packaging, minimalistic packaging, free shoe support, or many other ones. So yeah, it's up to you what you want to choose. I'm not going to use it. Here is the best option we can use, the best shipping option, the DHL one. As you can see, it's only like $31 as for those items. So yeah, good. It's not bad. Here, as you can see, you can put in your tax number, but it's optional, so I'm not going to use this thing in. You can obviously just get an insurance if you want to. It's up to you, like loss and damage, let's say. Okay, so I'm just choosing the carton packaging, and here I'm just choosing this DHL line. And as you can see here, you have many other ones, but I'm just simply going to use the first DHL one that was pre-selected. And yeah, we can get the insurance if lost and damaged. Here the total amount is just $30.95. Let's click on this and let's just use some coupons. So yeah, you have a lot of different coupons you can use on Oopbuy. I highly recommend you guys just using them. They're pretty good. And just like this, you can just simply pay for your order. So it's so simple, so nice. And yeah, once the package comes to me, I will definitely let you know, guys. And yeah, once the package comes to me, I will definitely once the package comes to me, I will definitely record the unboxing video of the items I ordered. And yeah, stay tuned for more content like this. So this is how it all looks like, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this thing useful. If you have some problems, issues, just simply leave the comment. I will answer you. And yeah, don't forget about coupons. So if you actually go here to the wallet tab and then coupons, you've got all those nice and beautiful coupons you can use. I simply recommend you guys to just check them out. Thank you a lot, and see you in the next video. Bye.